everyone, it's me Niharika. Well, before I leave for my holiday, I really wanted to wish you all a very happy Diwali. Enjoy to the fullest with all your loved ones.
Hey guys, wishing all of you a very happy Diwali.
Hey guys! So, this is finally the time of the year which we all love to celebrate. Well, what do you see around you? Lights? Beauty? Well, yes, this is what we call Diwali. So guys, wish you a very happy Diwali from Michelle.
Hey guys, this is Seema and I want to wish all of you a very happy Diwali.
Hello friends, this is Jenny wishing all my lovely subscribers a very happy Diwali. I hope this Diwali brings a lot of peace and happiness in your family. Happy Diwali!
Now, Diwali is extremely special to me. It's the festival of lights. It signifies the triumph of good over evil, and that's why it holds a very special place in my heart.
Well, if you ask me, what does Diwali mean to me? Diwali to me means cleaning my house. That's the time of the year. It means meeting my family members and spreading a lot of love. I love being with my family and cracking jokes.
I've got a sweet tooth, so for me Diwali means to gorge on sweets and more sweets and more sweets. So the entire Diwali season, what I've been doing is I've just been eating. So all of you guys, if you're worried about your weight, don't worry anymore. Just eat, yeah. Just be carefree, okay? And I want to wish all of you a very safe and a fun-filled Diwali.
Okay, what Diwali means to me? Diwali is one of my most favorite festivals because it's all about togetherness. No matter wherever I'm working, I make sure to celebrate it with my family as well as friends. So that's why Diwali is really special.
Now, I am heading to my hometown to celebrate this Diwali with all my family members and really looking forward for it. But yes, before I go, I want to wish you a very happy Diwali. Have a fantastic one and stay safe.
Well, how do I celebrate Diwali? I visit my family members and all of us get together in one place. And each day we have some or the other new game that we play, and every day the person who wins gets something or the other really special, and we actually have a small trophy which that person gets to take home. We've been doing this for the past 7 years. I'm hoping I win this time. Fingers crossed!
Well, I'm sure you must be wondering, how do I celebrate my Diwali? Well, as you can see, some beautiful lights around me and an amazing background. Well, I love to be laid back on my Diwali and like to take the time off like a break. So, this is how I celebrate my Diwali. How about you? Why don't you tell me? Leave your remarks in the comments and tell me, how do you celebrate your Diwali? Once again, wishing you a very happy Diwali from Michelle. Bye-bye.
Diwali, as I know, is victory of good over evil. However, for me personally, it means that you should have victory over your negative thoughts, over all kind of negative attitudes. So don't just light the diya, light your mind, light the inside of yourself so that you can be a positive person and spread positivity all around. So guys, happy Diwali and have fun and have a great time.
Okay, how I celebrate Diwali. I am always very enthusiastic about this festival because of diyas and rangolis and decorating my house with beautiful flowers and lamps and candles. Also, the most important thing, how can we forget shopping and sweets? Oh my god, I love the sweets prepared by my mom. They are super yum. I know we gain weight, but that's okay, we can manage. That's how I celebrate this festival.